I am the principal scientist at CrisprBits. We're a startup in Bangalore, and the role that me and my organization are playing in the rare disease ecosystem is that we are currently coming up with a platform called EdiCrisp, which we are using for CRISPRability and editing, CRISPR-based editing possibilities for rare disorders. And we are building disease models and building towards N equal to 1 clinical trials possibilities by doing disease modeling in the lab and understanding rare diseases further and the way CRISPR can play a role in therapies. Being a CRISPR startup, you cannot not do rare diseases with CRISPR. The possibility and promise that CRISPR itself brings in gene editing. So that is why we are focusing on rare disorders and seeing what we can help out with. One, of course, the National Policy for Rare Diseases that came out in 2021 by the Government of India is very, very promising. It's a path ahead. CRISPR becoming more and more accessible, cheaper is something that we are very excited about. The possibilities, various research actually coming up to clinical trials already. There are possibilities for rare disorders. There is, the Indian clinical trial for sickle cell disease, the Casgevy, there is the sickle cell CRISPR-based editing drug that's out there. All of these are very exciting things that are happening in rare diseases, and these are things that are only going to change the landscape of rare disorder therapy in the future. The summit came at a good time for me because we are just, as I mentioned, in our company building a platform for editing rare disorders vis-a-vis a disease model of iPSC cells. I came here to spend some time to learn about all of the wonderful organizations, and already, I've been exposed to multiple foundations doing multiple excellent work, both in research as well as taking it from bench to bedside. And that's why I chose to come out 3 days of my busy life to come here. It's really been helpful and useful. I'd just like to say thank you. This has been an excellent learning opportunity for me, and I hope to take some of the things I've learned here forward and be in touch. First of all, I'd like to thank Indo US Rare to organize this meeting itself. It's been very helpful for me personally, as well as for CrisprBits to be here. Other than that, I think just to sort of help us look for funding and research opportunities that we can apply for would be one. Two would be, again, engage patient groups along with groups like ours, who then we can sort of work together in possibilities to take certain decisions and research modules to actually the bedside.